Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Purelia subscription. Okay, so basically Purelia is a website and this is the official website officialpurelia.com, where when you purchase liver restored drops they will activate subscription on your account if you forget to untick your subscribe and save option. Okay, so basically if you have already taken subscription, how you can cancel it? So basically there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method is like very easy, the second one is like little bit hard. In the first method you need to visit on the official website on this website and you need to log in into your account by using the same email which you have used while placing your order. Okay, and once you logged in into your account you can cancel your subscription by navigating any kind of, you can say, like subscription option. And once you find your subscription option, then you can cancel or edit your subscription very easily. Okay, and if this method will not work because some people are not so much technical, and if you are facing any issue, if the subscription option is not available in your account, so in this case there is only one option, that is like you need to contact your credit card provider. You can tell them that you wish to cancel your unwanted subscription, that is like your Purelia, and only they can cancel, only they can remove your subscription. This is the only last option, otherwise you are not able to cancel your subscription. And their subscription policy says subscription fees are non-refundable once charged. You can cancel your subscription at any time before your next, you can like at least 3 to 5 next your billing date. Okay, prior to your next billing date. So this is the only option and this is the only method by which you can cancel your subscription. So now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.